with tailgating. We have the Zero Waste team out here, along with our grounds team, making sure that we can collect as much as the recycling and compost so we can continue to reach that zero waste goal. The first home game, we were able to collect 50% of all waste generated, which was about 6 tons. So that was a pretty good job. We ask in the future, if you can help us, think about what you're bringing to the game, think about how much food you're bringing, how much you're actually really going to eat. If you could bring recycling products and reusables, that would be great. And solo cups, just a small hint, are not recyclable. So if you could please put those in the trash when you bring them rather than the recycling, it'll help us when we do go through the sorting at the end of the day.
The community reaction has been great. You know, everybody's already having a good time. When they see us here, they have a great reaction, and sometimes we're playing music. You know, we bring the cart around, they shoot something into the recycling, throw something into the recycling. They have a question about an item. So it's really a good reaction from the community.
An essential part of game days for the Coliseum has been our zero waste efforts. We're sorting every single piece of trash that is accumulated in this building. That's the commitment we're making to our sustainable efforts during Trojan Game Day and every major event held at the Coliseum. So we're in the Coliseum's trash compound. This is where all of our zero waste efforts take place. Right now, all of the event accumulated trash comes into the compound, and our sort team is going through every bag, making sure that the waste streams are going to the proper areas. One of the new initiatives this season that we're rolling out are these aluminum cups. We have these cups at our draft beer pods to reduce the single-use plastics.
So one of the new things that we're going to be doing at the Coliseum, introducing within the next few months, is increasing the amount of hydration stations that we have. What this does is that it increases water access to save clean water, but it also enables people to reuse their bottles and cans. That way they're not buying more cans and producing more waste. When you come to the Coliseum, every single cocktail and every single beer that you have is in a sustainable container like this one for beer, or for our cocktails, we have reusable ones. And the way that students have helped out with that program is that they've been the people on the signage all throughout the bars, all throughout the Coliseum, and they also help with dropping off the cups in the bars and picking them up afterwards.
This started out for me as like a class, a zero waste class. There was like zero operations of waste. And then it kind of turned into something that I was really passionate about, because I'm like, hey, I go to the football games, so why not go ahead and actually help make sure that they're putting on a clean event? And so yeah, it was pretty important for me. And then when I was aware about this program, I was really happy to see that USC had that. And so it's a really good thing to be a part of. It feels good to be a part of.